Welcome to this video about immigrating to Manitoba and starting a business. Manitoba is a Canadian province that offers opportunities for those who want to start a farm or own their own business. In this video, I'll introduce you to two pathways, the entrepreneur pathway and the farm investor pathway. I'll guide you through each of these pathways and explain what is required to be eligible to immigrate to Manitoba and start your business. First is the farm investor pathway. This is designed for individuals with farm business experience and who want to immigrate to Manitoba and establish a farm. There are several criteria that must be met in order to be eligible for this pathway. This includes having a minimum of 3 years of farm business management or farm ownership experience, which must be supported by variable documents. The official language proficiency you must have in either French or English, and you'll be required to conduct an interview in one of those languages when you're invited to apply. Farm business investment. You must make a minimum investment of $300,000 in eligible tangible assets for your farm business in rural Manitoba. A farm business plan is also required. You must conduct a farm business research visit to Manitoba, and your activity must be ongoing, reoccurring business activities in rural Manitoba. You must live on the farm and actively participate in its management, and the farm must be active, primary agriculture production, and economically viable. You must demonstrate practical farming skills, technical knowledge, and experience in technological farming practices that will transfer to Manitoba's primary farm production industry. Your personal net worth must be at least $500,000. The second pathway would be the entrepreneur pathway. The entrepreneur pathway allows Manitoba to recruit and nominate eligible foreign business owners to move to Manitoba. The requirements for this pathway include: you must have a minimum of 3 out of 5 years of experience as an active business owner, senior management in a successful business. You must have a CLB, Canadian Language Benchmark, of 5. You must have a minimum Canadian high school certificate equivalent. There's no minimum or maximum age, but the ranking points are allocated to candidates between 25 and 49 years of age. Your business investment is required. It's $150,000 to $250,000 Canadian, depending on the location of the business. The business must create or maintain at least one job for a Canadian citizen or permanent resident of Manitoba, and that cannot be anybody in your family. Business research visit. You must conduct a business research visit and submit a business plan as part of your application. Adaptability points will be allocated based on various factors, such as the language proficiency of you and your spouse, your relationship to someone in Manitoba, and your education or work experience in Manitoba. Your net worth must be a minimum of $500,000. In conclusion, the Farm Investor Pathway and Entrepreneur Pathway are two available pathways for individuals who wish to immigrate to Manitoba and to start a farm or a business. And if you need any more information on those, you can go to our website. You can also Google the Manitoba streams in Canada and check those out. Any other help, please reach out at any time. That's what we're here for.